Welcome to the VivaLumix LED light therapy training session. In this video, we will guide you through the pain relief protocol using infrared light therapy 850 nanometers to help alleviate muscle tension, joint pain, and inflammation. Let's get started. Before starting the treatment, it's important to follow these general guidelines. Ensure the treatment area is clean and free of lotions, creams, or serums that may restrict LED light penetration. The recommended session time is 20 to 30 minutes, depending on client sensitivity. For pain relief, we recommend 3 sessions per week as needed. Always provide the client with protective goggles to shield their eyes from LED exposure. Pain relief protocol. Step 1. Identify the treatment area. Start by identifying the area where the client is experiencing pain, muscle tension, or inflammation. Step 2. Cleansing the area. Next, cleanse the skin to remove any lotions, oils, or products. This ensures optimal infrared light penetration for better results. Once the skin is clean, provide the client with protective goggles to ensure eye safety during the LED therapy session. Step 3. Treatment application. Position the device directly over the affected area, ensuring full coverage. The recommended treatment time is 20 to 30 minutes, but it can be adjusted based on the client's needs. Step 4. Selecting the infrared light mode. Select the pain relief mode, infrared light, 850 nanometers. Set the intensity to medium or high, depending on the client's tolerance. Step 5. Post-treatment care. After the session, encourage your client to stay hydrated to help flush out toxins and improve circulation. Consider light stretching or gentle movement to further relieve tension and enhance blood flow. Combination treatments. The VivaLumix LED light therapy device can be seamlessly integrated into other facial and body protocols for enhanced results. Microdermabrasion or chemical peels. Use red light therapy post-treatment to reduce redness and speed up healing. Radiofrequency or ultrasonic therapy. Pair with red or infrared light for advanced anti-aging and skin rejuvenation. Acne facials. Combine with manual extractions and blue light therapy for a complete acne clearing protocol. Device maintenance. To maintain your VivaLumix LED light therapy device, follow these simple steps. Wipe the LED panel after each session with a soft, damp cloth. Store the device in a cool, dry place when not in use. Stay updated with the latest treatment protocols and additional training materials from Zemits. That completes our pain relief LED light therapy protocol. Remember, consistency is key. Clients should have 3 sessions per week or as needed for the best results. For more advanced training materials and expert tips, visit our official Zemits platform. Thank you for watching and happy treating with VivaLumix.